Another important tag that we have in HTML is the span tag. Span is again some kind of a container, but morely used for texts. And this is my span. As you see, I included it over here under my headlines. The main difference between P and span is that P or paragraph is about an entire paragraph, which will take the lines that it is located in. But span will only take as much space as the text inside it take. So if I add another span over here and say this is my second span, as you see, these two will stick together because they won't take no more space than they need. But if I do the same with paragraph, so this is my paragraph and this is my second paragraph, these two will be completely separated. Although all of these attributes and characteristics are controllable and changeable in CSS, but these are the primary characteristics to each of these tags that we are mentioning and we are using. So this was span. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.